sorry guys. I have to do another video because the other one didn't load. Okay, run, bro. Why am I running so slow? I'm not even speeding, bro. That's what it looks like. Now everybody pay attention. Now everybody pay feet. So now like, yee. I'm gonna make the toes because it's still alive. No, how am I supposed to get up there? No big, feel that pot, shoot the shot, coming in hot. Oh no, no, oh Harry, no, no. I only have 1 minute for this. No, 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 no. Bye. Oh crap! Speed through it. No, we're not having it. Oh, smart. We found out like the last one didn't even start that time, and I didn't even realize. I don't care. Crap. I'm sorry for the big bang, guys. I'm at my daycare right now, and they're making bunches of noise. They're so aggravating sometimes. Well, not all of them. Some of them are nice and peaceful, and then some of them are crazy. But I'm sorry about that. You don't worry. I obviously got the last one. You fall down like yee. Run up, run up. I got the last. I knew I got the last one. Wait, why did I need the switch? Oh, it's because of this. Ah, I see it now. What up? Okay, you gonna have to go quick or fast. That was a ghost of Neverland. Now I'm just playing. Run. Whoa. Well, guys, that is our video today. And if you enjoyed the video, like I said at the beginning, click the subscribe button. Hold on. Well, click the subscribe button, turn on the notifications. Give me, later. Smack that like button. Don't forget, oh wait, I already said that. Okay, so yeah, don't forget the notification button. And I'll see you guys next time. See you guys.